Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zapier to post to LinkedIn from Sheets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Zapier's website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Log in to your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap located at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Trigger app search bar, type Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. You will need to choose a trigger event. Select New Spreadsheet row to trigger the zap whenever a new row is added. Click on Continue to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to connect your Google Sheets account. Click on Sign in to Google Sheets and follow the prompts to authorize your account. Select the specific spreadsheet you want to monitor. Choose the worksheet where your data is located. Click on Continue to move to the next step. Now, you will test the trigger. When Zapier retrieves data from your selected sheet, review the information and click Continue. Next, you'll set up the action step. In the Action app search bar, type LinkedIn. Select LinkedIn from the drop-down menu. Choose the action event to be performed, such as create a share update. Click on Continue to proceed. Connect your LinkedIn account by clicking on Sign in to LinkedIn. Authorize Zapier to access your LinkedIn account. Once connected, choose the content you want to post. Map the fields from your Google Sheets to the corresponding fields in LinkedIn. After mapping is finished, click on Continue. Test your action to ensure everything is set up correctly. If the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. Your Zap is now ready to post to LinkedIn whenever a new row is added to your specified Google Sheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.